Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is my first video since I opened my channel. So today we'll be making roast chicken with roasted potato wedges. Yes, so here I have butter, mixed spices which is curry powder, chicken masala and chicken masala and black pepper and salt. So here I have garlic and ginger, which I'll combine to then crush to a paste. After that, I'll finally chop my coriander to add to the marination. I'll then add my chopped coriander to my spices mixture. Then add a little bit of rosemary to spice up my chicken. When everything is done, mix to combine. Mix well to combine completely. Add cooking oil and continue mixing. And some lemon juice. Don't forget the garlic and ginger paste. When the mixture is ready, get your chicken, add some lemon juice on it, to give it a flavor. Add dark soy sauce to your paste to give it a dark color and soy flavor. To rub it easily on the chicken. Mix it well. Changanya bana. The paste is now ready, so we start rubbing it on the chicken. We rub it well inside the skin to make sure the marination enters there, and to make sure the chicken has flavor when it's cooked. You rub it everywhere, make sure everywhere is covered. Yes, you rub it. When the chicken is fully covered with the paste, you cut some lemons, like let's say 4 pieces, and you stuff inside the chicken, and let's say a bunch of like 2 rosemaries, tia ndani. Yes, and then your chicken is ready. And now for my potatoes, I did not peel them, I just cleaned them well and cut into wedges. So now we marinate them with the same paste. You add vegetable oil, garlic and ginger paste, and then the paste that we combined with other spices. We marinate well until they are fully covered with the paste. Add enough soy sauce to spice it up. it's now ready, we put the chicken on the baking sheet together with the potatoes, which we arrange on the side of the chicken so that we can get the juice that from the chicken during baking. So cover fully the chicken even on the top for the first cook and put it in the oven. So I had preheated my oven for 20 minutes. Then I'll set it for like 50 to 1 hour for the first cook at a temperature of 200 degrees. So we are done with the first round. The chicken baked for 50 minutes and covered, and now it's cooked in the inside, but we need it brown and we need the potatoes brown on top, so we return them to the oven and preheat for other 30 minutes so that the brown color can show well. And now our chicken is ready. You can see it's brown and crispy on the top. Even the potatoes are brown and crispy. Yes, so we are done. Now you can see how it turned out. There you go. It's so delicious, guys. There is our roasted chicken with potato wedges. So I served it with guacamole and tomato sauce. There we go, guys. Please subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Same place, same time on a Tuesday.